Fidget. I'm so sad. Wait, I think I'm gonna scam someone. Yeah, let's scam her. She has a lot of fidgets. Wait, is that her? Is she wishing for, is that a magic thing? She's wishing for stuff. I wish for, a squid puppet. Oh my god, I got it. And I wish for a random fidget. Oh my god, I got it, yes! Oh my god, I need to scam her. She's getting like all the fidgets. That's crazy. Hey girl, hey, I'm like wondering, that girl's getting a lot of fidgets really quick. Hey, where did my fidgets go? Oh my god, you only have that stress ball. Oh my god, they're all gone. Oh, I'm keeping this in my hands. I need to scam her. Get her fidgets back. Hey, this is a legendary popper. I don't care. It's legendary, like legendary. It's not here anymore, and you can't even wish for it. I've seen your wishing things. I don't want the wish thing. Okay, what do you want to offer? This is legendary. So, you need to offer a lot. Fine, I'll offer this. Yes. What yes? Nothing. I'll offer this. Okay. This. And that's it. No, I need more now. This is legendary. Did you hear me? Yeah, I heard you. Okay, I'll give you more. Here. More. Are you dumb? Fine. I'll give you those. Or more. Look how legendary this is. And look how cool it spins. It turns. It was like this way and then it turns. More. Fine. I don't even want to give you more, but I'm giving you more because it looks really cool. I'll offer this. Okay. Is that it? Is that enough? Hello? No, it's not enough. Here, give me all your fidgets and that's a deal, Mr. Oh, fine. Thank you. Here, get scammed. Hey! I can't run away. Okay, I ran away somewhere and look at all these fidgets. I need to go find my bestie. Hey, bestie. Yeah, what's up? I'm just really sad. I don't got my fidgets anymore. Here, I got them for you. Here you go, and this was yours, and let me find it. Pea thing. She gave me this. I can wish for any fidget. I wish for my other fidget back from that girl. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, I got it! Did my fidget go? No. It was my only one. I can't believe I got so much of these fidgets. Oh yeah. And I'm not your bestie anymore. I'm stealing these fidgets. Hey, no! I ran away. I can't believe I got these fidgets. Well, these fidgets were definitely worth it because, like, it's worth it. So, I'm happy I scammed her. So, yeah. Guys, you should never scam people. And if you scam people, don't even try to because it's not that nice, and the other people will feel really bad, just like in this video. As you heard. So you should never steal someone's fidgets because as you see, it's very rude, and these are actually all my fidgets, and never steal fidgets from other people. Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh yeah, and also if you didn't like and subscribe, can you please like and subscribe because it will really help me out. And I'm almost up to 20 subscribers. Bye.